Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an earning app where you can earn money by playing games and watching videos. While you are watching videos, you can get different types of boxes like this one where you can earn cash and other prizes. You can change them into the cash. There are different types of boxes with different level of rewards. Here you can see how much you can earn just by opening boxes. There are other type of earning opportunities just like spin and lucky roll. You can win real cash on mega spin and normal spin. You can win real cash playing lucky rolls, which have another gift boxes also. There are multiple games to play and earn real cash, just like fish spawn. The best option to get reward in this app is watching videos. You can watch various types of videos, funny video games, movies and other videos. Choose the category you want and you can get paid through PayPal when you reach as low as $0.1 to $10, and you can exchange your ClipClaps coins with real cash or buy boxes also. These are the games you can play in this app and win real cash. Just to show you how much you can earn just by opening this, I have bought multiple chests with my cash. Here you can see rewards and coins I'm earning just by opening boxes called chest in this app. These coins and rewards can be exchanged into real cash. I get gift fish, just that. You can win up to $10 and 150k coins just by opening this chest. Sorry, raffles. Link of the site is in description and you can use my promo code to earn extra $0.5. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video.